Want to design pixel-perfect, high-converting call-to-action buttons without writing a single line of custom CSS? Today, we are going to build the ultimate CTA using the ElementsKit button widget.
Before we start, make sure you have the free version of Elementor and the free version of ElementsKit installed and activated on your website. Open your page in Elementor, search for the button widget, and drag the ElementsKit version onto your canvas. Head over to the Content tab and set up your structure. Here you can change the label onto text label or strong CTA. Next, you can add visual content by choosing an icon from the library or seamlessly upload your own custom SVG. So if you want to add some icons here, I'm choosing this one. You can also change the icon position from before to after. I'm keeping it in the before. Also, there are alignment options as well. I'm keeping it in the center. Now for the UI design. Jump into the Style tab. Here, you have total control. Tweak your white, margin, and padding for the perfect breathing room. Dial in your typography, set high contrast text and background colors, and add a sleek box shadow to make it pop. You can even add custom borders and fine-tune your icon spacing. The white, I'm keeping it in 22, and you can also change the typography colors as well. And the text color and background type can also be edited as well. So there are also advanced settings. If you want to change the advanced option, you can change it from here. You can also make it from the ready-made templates. For this, click the ElementsKit icon, and from sections you can search for button widget. That was it.
Top setting for boring buttons. If you found this workflow helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more advanced Elementor design tutorials, and we will see you in the next video.